it's Brandon Trett, as you might know, and welcome back to Brandon's Kitchen! So today we're making my grandmother's chocolate cake, and this recipe is very special to me because it keeps her memory alive. So let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. In this bowl over here, we have sugar. Over here, as you might be able to see, vanilla extract. In here we have 2 eggs. In this bowl we have 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. In this bowl, I'm not going to pick it up because it'll fall out. I have flour, baking soda, cocoa powder, and salt. And in this bowl, I'm not going to touch it. It has 2 cups of boiling hot water. And over here, it has Baker's Joy non-stick spray, and it has a little bit of flour in it. So that makes it so your cake can come out in one piece, even though it might not, because this is a really hard cake to make. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by pouring in my sugar. Vanilla extract. And I have to whip my eggs. And as you can see, I'm whipping my eggs. And you can always get this recipe and many more recipes at bradenskitchen.blogspot.com. So, I'll see you after I'm done whipping the eggs. Alright, so I just finished whipping my eggs. So now I'm going to pour it in with my sugar. And then also, I still have a little more. I'm going to pour in my vegetable oil. And then I'm going to churn this. Well, not churn, but I'm going to mix this until it's well combined. Alright, I just finished mixing the egg, sugar, and vanilla. So now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. And don't forget, I have to add in my boiling water. Now I'm going to mix it until it's well combined. Alright, so what I've done here is I've combined all of my ingredients to make a beautiful brown. Kind of like the color of brownie batter, except a little lighter. And now, right before I put it in the pan, I'm just going to do a final scraping, because you don't want lumps in this. So now I'm going to pour this and make sure that you get every little bit because you want as much chocolate cake as possible. Alright, so what I've done here is I've put all of my chocolate mixture into this pan, this circular pan, and then I've heated my oven up to 350 degrees, and now I'm going to put it in there for about 45 minutes. Alright, so I took my cake out of the oven, which was set to 350 degrees, and it normally doesn't come out of the Bundt, so there's a couple pieces missing, but I cut myself a piece. Everyone's happy. Wow! I can't believe that. This is like the best cake I've ever eaten. Thank you, Omi. And thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Braden's Kitchen. You can always get this recipe and more recipes at bradenskitchen.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye. Alright, so what I have done here is I've poured all of my chocolate mixture into this pan. I'm not going to tilt it because that could make it cook wrong or whatever. So I've printed. Do it again.